Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve banner on Picsart app. To know how to fix or how to solve banner on Picsart app, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window of Picsart and you can click. Here in this list of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.